Das erste Lied, das wir werden singen, ist Children of Columbus. Ein wunderschönes Lied, das der Daddy geschrieben hat. Und, you know, you guys are kind of the children of Columbus. Well, you didn't sail, but you flew. So that's the first song we're going to sing. Enjoy it.
Standing tall, seeing the craze and I hear the call, and then they set sail across once more the ocean. They've been everywhere yet nowhere home. Meet a lot of folks but are still alone. The fever grows and tries to across the ocean. From the lights away, got back again. Died 100 times in a hurricane. Felt so humble on the other side of the ocean. They've been always here since it all began. This brotherhood of cruising men. They're here to stay, taken away by the ocean. Jealous mercenaries, and they fight their way to freedom when they cross the seven seas. They're standing tall, feel the grace and they hear the call. Cross once more the ocean. They've been everywhere yet nowhere home. Meet a lot of folks but are still alone. It's so humble on the other side of the ocean. They are the children of Columbus. They're the jealous mercenaries, and they fight their way to freedom when they cross the seven seas. They've been always here since it all began. This brotherhood of cruising men. They're here to stay, taken away by the ocean. They are the children of Columbus, and the jealous mercenary, and they fight their way to freedom when they cross the seven seas. They are the children of Columbus, and the jealous mercenaries, and they fight their way to freedom when they cross the seven seas.
So, Chris Gustavus couldn't be here tonight, so we're going to do this song for him.